This short tutorial is just to show you where to go in order to begin grading your revised assignments that your students have turned in. In order to grade, you actually need to go to your course tools, and towards the bottom, you're going to see where it has a link for Turnitin assignments. Click on that link, and all of your Turnitin assignments will show up on this page. So here we can see we're going to look at test submission, revision 1. Test submission was the original repository where the students put their initial draft. Test submission peer review is where the students were able to peer review one another as well as themselves. And the one you will grade as a TA is the revision assignment. So simply click on that. This information located here is your student name. We're going to have the students title their submissions based on what section they are. Since we will have all of Monday students, for example, turning in their assignment on the same day, if we have them use their section number and their title, we can order this column based on the title and be able to group all of the sections together, the students in each section together. Here's the similarity score. So if you're interested in checking plagiarism, this is where you would do that. You simply click there. I've already graded this assignment. It's again out of 80 points. So this assignment received 68 out of 80 points. This little dot here indicates that I have not viewed the assignment yet. You can see that it's grayed out. It does change once the student has actually viewed the assignment. So at a quick glance, you can tell whether or not the student actually looked at their assignment and the feedback that you left them. So what we would do to grade is to simply click on the pencil. Right now this has a grade located here, but if you have not graded it, it will still show a pencil. By clicking on the pencil, it will take you to a new window, which will allow you to provide your feedback. The rubric is easily accessible by clicking on the rubric logo. If this is your 20th paper that you've scored, you probably have a good idea of what these 3 organizations refer to, what the 3 procedures refer to, and so on. The first few papers that you grade, you're probably going to need some more detailed information. To do that, simply click on this icon here to expand the rubric to full screen. I'm going to open it up all the way. And you'll notice that we have all the information from our rubric located here. What's nice about this is my first question, which is writing should be in past tense. I can simply click on the box to indicate whether or not it was excellent and everything was written in past tense, or whether they were frequently going into the incorrect tense. And it will assign it either a 4, 3, 2, or 1, depending on which box I choose. That 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be weighted as being worth 4% of the student's total grade. So you can see that each of these percentages will add up to 100%, so that the student will have a weighted grade based on the value of each criteria. So I can simply go through and check what boxes I feel best explain or represent the student's writing. Once I am finished, I can take a look down here, and based on the percentage weight, this particular rubric with the boxes I've selected gives me a 2.88 out of 4. We grade our writing assignments out of 80 points from the TA, so by clicking on Apply to Grade, once I get back over to here, I can see that it says 2.88 out of 4, which translates or scales up to a 58 out of 80 points. So this is a different grade now than what I had graded previously, and that's an easy correction to make. I simply exit out of this window, return back to my Turnitin assignments page, which again is located under the course tools. And now for revision, I simply go to sync grades, and it has now synced the grade. If I want to see what it looks like in my grade center, I click on the home. I can go to grade center, full grade center, since there's only a few people enrolled in this sample. And I can see now that under test submission that it shows the updated grade of 58 out of 80. So that's a quick review on how to input your grades into Turnitin and then sync your grade with Blackboard.